And welcome back. Second half action now with 12 days to go before the Reggae Boys take on Mexico in their opening game of the CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers. JFF General Secretary Dalton Wynn says there are more challenges ahead. More in this report. There could be problems on the horizon for the Reggae Boys games against Mexico on September 2 and against Costa Rica on September 8. This as the England-based players could face travel bans, with the UK having travel restrictions on some countries. These countries have been red flagged. If the JFF fails to get around the restrictions, it could then mean the Reggae Boys could be without several top players.
I think it will be a tremendous blow to our preparation, because most of the players are players that have been used to prepare for this upcoming fixture, and the coaching staff and technical staff are banking on these players, so it will pose a little challenge if they are not available.
In order to get around the restrictions, JFF General Secretary Dalton Wynn says they'll be seeking government intervention.
Well, we have to use our Ministry of Foreign Affairs to see how best they can assist us, and we have started the process.
Another talk which the JFF will want to have with the government is to confirm the September 5 start time of 5 p.m. against Panama at the National Stadium.
We have not yet gotten the approval for the 5 p.m. This is something that is being looked at favorably. Remember, there are new developments, as I mentioned. It's no movement there. Nobody moves, nobody gets hurt. We are working on it with the government to see how best we can tie down that 5 o'clock start.
Meanwhile, West Ham striker Mikel Antonio could take part in the qualifiers, having now received his Jamaican passport.
From what I have seen from Mikel, I know he is a very good addition to any squad, and Jamaica would welcome a person with his ability